Hi, this is the FOSSiBOT F101 and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant option on this device. So first let's launch the Google application. Be sure that you're connected to the internet. Then just tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings, tap the Google Assistant section and scroll down to the general options. Here click to the switcher to turn it off and confirm your action by tap to turn off. So now Google Assistant successfully disabled. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.